Hazrat Ali described about friendship as Fakdul ahibbati ghurbatun. Absence of friends is alienation. Man la sadiqa lahu la zukhra lahu. A person keeps no stock and capital who doesn't have true friends. He said, La tasik bis sadiqi qabla al khubrati. Don't trust a friend until you test him. Sadiquka man nahaka wa aduwaka man aghraka. Your friend is that who prevents you from evil, and your enemy is that who provokes you for evil. He mentioned al-ihtimalu zainur rifaq. Endurance is the adornment of friendship. Ahbib habibaka hauna. Keep friendship to your friend to a limited range. Ma asa en yakuna baghizaka yawman ma. It may possible that he may become your enemy one day. Abghid baghizaka haunan ma. Keep enmity to your enemy to a limited range. Asa en yakuna habibaka yawman ma. It may possible that he may become your friend one day. He mentioned, Ma aksarul akhwani in the Jafan. How many friends are there in the time of luxury? Wa aqallum in the hadasat zaman. And how less friends are there in the time of accidents. He further described, Ajazun nasi man ajaza anik tisabil ikhwan. The weakest is one who is weak to make a friend. وَعَجَدَ مِنْهُمْ مَنْ زَيَّعَ مَنْ زَافِرَ بِهِ مِنْهُمْ. And more than that, weakest is one who wastes them after making them friends. He further described, Hasadu Sadiqi min sukmil mawaddati. To envy is the error of a friend.